All right, everyone. This is our getting started right, basically walkthrough, so you can understand exactly what to do and what where things are in your back office. So the first thing I want to show you guys is how to edit your information, and this is very important too. So the first thing you want to do, guys, is you want to come to this section here where it says your current mailing address, and it's edit right here. And this here is going to bring you to where your address is. Okay, so you want to make sure that everything is correct in this location, because what's going to happen is when you place your order, this is where everything is going to be shipped. So if it's not a correct address and you buy something, that's where it's going to be shipped to, whatever address is in this section here. So make sure this is correct. Now, up here is very important. This is how you're going to receive your commissions for right now. So we are using PayPal. So right in this section, you want to place your PayPal email address. So whatever email address you're using for PayPal, place it here. And so whenever we pay out commissions, this is where we're going to be sending your commissions to whatever email that you have set up with PayPal. If you don't have a PayPal account, this is very simple. Go to paypal.com, set up a free account, and then come back and place your email that you use to set up that PayPal account there. All right, and then down here is where if you want to change your password, you just go down there and change your password. And then after you do all that, you just click save. And then it's going to save the information, and you're all set. Now, if you're a customer associate or a customer rep, this is where your links are going to be. Now, how to copy the link, all you would have to do, which it says click to copy, you just click on it and it's going to say link copied to clipboard, and then you just paste it to wherever you want to paste it, in the email or your Facebook or whatever, and it works for the same as your team building link. Alright, so that's pretty much that. The second area I want to cover is your order history. I mean, pretty much, guys, this is where, every time you place an order, you can always go back here and see what you placed, and if you want to track it or anything like that, you can click track and it will track the package for you once you place your order. The third section is the support. Now, this is where if you have any issues, you can come back here and create a support request. Okay, so you see where it says create new request, you just click that, and it'll open up a support ticket. If you have any problems, billing issues, shipping issues, whatever whatever you have that you wanted to basically get corrected, you just come here and you will just create a new request. You can review your request or you can cancel it. All right, getting started is pretty much where this video is going to be. Earnings section. Okay, this is where you're going to be able to see your commissions. We have two areas here. We have the actual paid and pending. So what you're going to do here is you click pending, and it's going to show you where your pending transactions. And the cool thing about this is it's going to tell you when it was actually the transaction was made. Okay, and how much they actually purchased. So you just click on the actual section here, and it's going to give you the name and also the order number and also how much they spent and your order status. If it was shipped, it will say item shipped, when was it shipped, etc. So that's a cool thing. You could come back here, you can see your total pending payments or earnings for the month. So you can keep track of everything. Also too, if there was a reverse, let's say someone canceled, as you can see here, someone canceled a payment. It was reversed. So what happens is it will zero out and it will come out of your balance here. So that's kind of cool, so you can kind of keep track of your earnings. And then you can come here when we do pay out, and it will show you all the payments that was made. Alright, and then the customer tab is pretty much where you can see all of your customers on your first level and on your second level. And you can see, basically the name, their username, their customer status, whether they're a customer associate, customer rep, or just a free customer. And then you can see when they joined and who sponsored them. Okay, so that's kind of cool here. Alright, and the last thing is our marketing section. This is where everything is going to be, like the tools. Like right now we have just the Facebook tool. We'll be adding other tools in the near future. Also too, this is going to be where the business cards and brochures and the marketing material and then our training videos will be here. Alright guys, so pretty much this is just pretty much a simple video just to kind of get you familiar with the back office so you know where everything is so you can check out everything. Alright guys, so this concludes this portion of this video, and look out for the next ones.